lot of people said they couldn't see this in the short video. So there you have it. Yeah. Commercial metals. CMC. CMC. Hopefully that comes in nice and clear for you. Pause the video. Check out the prices. Took my address out because people were crying about that. 8-year-old, 9-year-old address. I'm no longer there. Alright, let's get on with this scrap out. This is yesterday's dumpster score. We got a little bit of copper. You know, it's not a huge score. But listen, this is the minimum I get out of there when I go over. I wait 2 days, 3 days. I go back. I get more. We love this. Brassy boys. Brassy boys. I was thinking about opening a bar. If I had a scrap bar, would you guys come and have a beer with us? Let me know. And if you're not old enough to have a beer, have a pop with us. Alright, well, we started a new brass bucket. That's about 5 or 6 pounds, something like that. Then we started a new copper number 2 bucket. So that, with that all being done, I'm going to cut this with y'all. We're going to cut it. I think I might have a new way to pull those out. Well, it's not new. But we're going to try it, see if it works. If it fails, at least we caught it on camera. Ha! Daddy ever got caught up in this thing right here. Huh? Huh? A little bit more for the number 2 bucket. Just like that. Let me set this up. I'll show you my trick I want to try. So, here's the general idea. We all get this junk wire. I just hurried up and threaded it up just 2 times. You need to thread it 4. But the idea of it is, you know, take your time, hit it, walk it around. Same thing a machine does. I mean, it's just a little awkward right now until I get it going on. I can fix this here. It's leaning to one side. I knew that would happen. That's alright. Trial and error. That's what we're going to call this. Trial and error. Yeah, that'll probably work. Why not? I mean, it's getting pulled this way. It's all coming out. So why wouldn't it pull the other way? You know what I'm saying? Sorry, I'm listening to Shane Man's daughter. She got a channel now. Check it out. I'll leave the link below. Don't be cat hating, Shane. He ends up getting one too, from what I hear. I know an air chisel would work faster, but This is a cool little way here. Look at that. There's half of it. There it is. Yeah, worked out. I didn't think it was going to work. There you have it. I'll pull that last little piece out. That ain't no big deal. Check that out. That's badass. And you can recycle this. That right in the household, whatever your place calls it. Just like that, y'all. Alright. The real question is, what do we make out of that dumpster? Got a few hidden pieces. Let me zero this out. This is the brass. So let's take 2 pounds off of that. 7 at $2.04 a pound. That's where we're at. It's all cleaned up. Looks pretty. Yeah, buddy. And then we got the number 2 copper. Sure, I can clean it up, but 5 pounds. 5 pounds of number 2 copper. $2.96 a pound right now. Goes up and down. Oh, still 5. So I'm gonna call that a win. Period. I'll call that a win. Stuff like this, I'll just scrape it off. Be number 1. But for now, we'll just call that number 2. Why not? Y'all know what to do. Hit that thumbs up. We'll scrap out some more stuff. We'll go dumpster diving some more. All of that good junk. Dumpster Jerry, you're awesome. Coots, you the man. You guys are my family. Let's do this thing we were talking about. This has been real fun. I appreciate you hanging out, listening to what I have to say. I don't think, $30 for one dumpster is, going to get you rich, but when you do it 3-4 times a week, it all adds up. And with that being said, thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for the shirt orders. We've had a couple of them. That's silly, but it's awesome. Even a baby agrees. You hear him yelling in the background. You guys help a brother out. Share it up. We're doing this thing right now. Looking at the market. That's what we do. I like to see when prices are rising and falling. Have a good night, y'all. Oh yeah, romantic eyewitness news.